Have you ever thought, what if something urgent happened? Can anyone call your family without unlocking your phone? Most people don't see this setup, but it's very useful. Today, I will show you how to add emergency contact on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, including how to show them on the lock screen for quicker access. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Safety and Emergency. Tap Safety and Emergency. Tap Emergency Contacts. Tap Add Emergency Contact. Then choose the people you trust. Tap Done. To remove a contact, tap 3 dot. Select Remove. Then select Contact, followed by tap Remove. Here you can also enable show on lock screen if you want your emergency contacts to appear when someone taps emergency call on the lock screen. And that's it, emergency contacts ready. It's a quick to set up but could be very important when needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.